Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So we're down to day number 3 for the Growing in Unity giveaway. So all you have to do is just comment on my blog post, which will be linked in the description bar of this video. The more chances you comment on each video each day to increase your chances of winning. Let's see what else. And that's it. Short and sweet. Just leave a comment. It's open to everybody. I did ask them that. Someone asked me, was it open internationally? And yes, it is. So, yeah. And then I'll just share with you the winner after the 5th day. All right? So, once I worked it up. So, today, I used the sentiment on this stamp right here. You are amazing. Remember that. And I used her. What is that? Nala. I'm sorry, girl, for butchering that, but this is the stamp that I used, and I used a sentiment on this one. And for my base project today, I used the Anna Griffin wallet die. Okay. So I made a little wallet, and I used Graph 45. I used Graph 45 Fashionista paper collection. I'm sure I butchered that wrong too. But anyway, here's my wallet. So I colored her up darker, and there's the You Are Amazing. And you see the layers. I popped that up, use my dewdrops, my alcohol markers to color her in. And then on the inside of here, in this side of the wallet, this is the part where I will put the gift card in, and it'll just slide right here. You could also decorate that edge. And on this side, I decided just to stick a sheet of paper in for a note. And I use acetate just to cover the window. On the samples in the paper from Anna, she, put labels on top of here. But I decided just to use the acetate. And then I will put the note in here. And then the gift card or money or whatever be on this side. Okay? And that is my wallet. Okay? So, like I said, these videos will be short and sweet. Nothing drawn out. Hopefully, I haven't forgotten anything. I told you I use my alcohol markers. Like I said, just go to my blog, leave a comment there, because that's where I'm going to pull them from. And that's it, you guys. You have a blessed day, and I'll be back for day 4. Bye.